Yes guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video, I just wanted to go through what's called the regression to the mean. And I don't know if you've heard this term before. I spoke about it a little bit on Instagram and stuff like that. But it's basically the midpoint. And again, with fitness, with anything that you do, and the point that, if you do something good, if you do something bad, if you have a good day, a bad day, you're always going to get pulled to center. So the best way to go through this is to draw. So for example, let's just say that this is the mean line, or this is the middle. So this is the middle point, and we know that some days are going to be good, and then some days are going to be bad, and it's always like this. And if we sort of treat it like a statistic, is that if you have a good day, then or a good phase, it's going to be followed by a bad phase, and it's always the way it is. And a good analogy that I like to use with this is golf. So if anyone plays golf, you will understand exactly what I mean. So if you play golf, and the first time you play golf, you shoot par, or you shoot 90 or whatever, and you do a really good round, I guarantee that next time or the following times you're going to be absolutely poor. And it's just how it works. You can't always be up here forever. And statistically, if you have a good game, it's always going to be followed by a bad game. And again, vice versa. So if you have a bad game, I guarantee that there will be a good game that comes. And I feel it all the time in the sense of mood, in the sense of anxiety, stuff like that. When I know I'm having a little bit of a tough phase or a day or whatever, I know that the next day is going to be better. It's just the way the universe works. And one thing we've got to think about is that we can play this in our favor, and this is how we do that. So if you think about the regression to the mean, obviously, the more times you do something, whether it's fitness or whatever, you've got to naturally get better at it over time. So it's always going to be on the rise in that way. So as you can see there, if I might move myself out the way, it's always going to go upwards. So that mean actually increases over time. So you can see here, for example, is that the mean over time will increase. So the good days will get even better, and then the bad days will also get better as well in that sense. So as you can see, the difference is the mean between them is increasing through time. And this is so important on a fitness journey, for example, or any sort of journey. The journey of life is that there will be ups, there will be downs, there will be challenges. No matter what you do, you have to pick them challenges. The good saying that I like is new levels, new devils. Whenever you reach a certain milestone, there's going to be more challenges. There's going to be challenges whatever you do, but there's always going to be really positive days. And again, if you think about the first ever £1,000 you made, a first paycheck that you ever got, amazing. You felt up there, you felt on top of the world. But then when you start earning 5, 6, 7, 20, 30, 40 grand, that 1 grand is down here now, and that 40 grand is up there, if that makes sense. So you can see how it changes over time. And I just want you to think, and I want to reaffirm, is that if you're having a bad day, a bad meal, a bad day in business, a bad day in mental health, it's tired, injured, whatever, we always know that down the line, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's next week, next month, there's always going to be an uprise from that. It's always going to pull you back to center, so that the center line will always be there. And it's about increasing that center line over time. That is the regression to the mean. So let me know if you found this video useful, and I'll catch you in the next one.